Hello everyone, welcome in Guru classes for you. Today we will discuss type of banks in India. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Banks in India are divided into 4 categories. इंडिया के जो बैंक्स हैं उन्हें 4 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है. फर्स्ट इज कमर्शियल बैंक्स, सेकेंड इज स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, थर्ड इज पेमेंट बैंक्स, फोर्थ इज कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स. इस स्लाइड में आपको एक चार्ट गिवन है जिसमें कमर्शियल बैंक, स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, पेमेंट बैंक, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, एक फ्लो चार्ट आपको गिवन है इसका, जिसमें हमें शो हो रहा है कि जो कमर्शियल बैंक है वो भी 4 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड है. फर्स्ट इज़ पब्लिक सेक्टर, सेकंड इज़ फॉरेन एंड थर्ड इज़ प्राइवेट सेक्टर, फोर्थ इज़ आरआरबी. और जो हमारे कोऑपरेटिव बैंक है वो भी 2 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइडेड है. फर्स्ट इज़ अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक एंड सेकंड इज़ स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव. व्हाट इज़ कमर्शियल बैंक? A commercial bank is a type of bank that provides services such as accepting deposits, making business loans, and offering basic investment products that is operated as a business for profit. Now next is functions of commercial bank. There are 2 types of functions. First is primary function, second is secondary function. In which primary function, first is accepting deposits, making advances, third is credit creation. In which secondary functions, first is clearance of check, second is sales, purchase of shares, bonds, and third is transfer of money, fourth is to work as trustee, fifth is to work as a representative, sixth is to give, accept money, seventh is to provide letter of credit. Types of commercial banks: public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, regional, rural banks. These are the public sector banks in India. These are the private sector banks in India. These are the foreign banks in India. These are the RRB banks in India. Some small finance banks in India. Some payment banks of India. Next is, what is cooperative banks? Cooperative banks are a part of the set of institution RBI, RRB, NABARD and commercial banks which are engaged in financing rural and agriculture development. Cooperative banks carried on no profit, no loss basis, organized and managed on principle of cooperation, self-help and mutual help. Government sponsored and supported. Range of services narrow than the commercial banks. Too much dependence on RBI, NABARD and the government. Multiple regulation and control authorities. Types of cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are divided into 2 parts. First is rural cooperative banks, second is urban cooperative banks. Rural cooperative banks are also divided into 2 parts. First is short-term cooperative banks, second is long-term cooperative banks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.